gitagwo chloride acid.
Yes.
Ya sound ya betri.
Niwe
yo. Ĩrĩa irio. Na
tutariria
gathabarĩ karĩa mũrwaru athiaga especially na H pylori na wĩna gastritis. Koguo harĩa watukinyia ndagĩtarĩ rĩ, mũndũ no arigitwo H pylori nĩ ethire na arigitwo gastritis, no gũtigwo na ndariri ici cia indigestion. Nĩ wage kanathondekwo mũrimũ wa irio kwaga gũthĩka.
Yes, and mostly challenge yukagira the assumption yati dalili cia indigestion kwa gũthĩka kwa irio ni dalili cia H pylori na dalili cia gastritis kana ulcers.
No ndagĩta ni twĩihũragĩria arwaru
ahenaga challenge
nĩ itheka nĩ ndagĩtarĩ tukĩmenya mahĩtia me mwena wao.
Okay, ndingiuga mũno mahĩtia me mwena wa mũrwaru mũno for reason no raheana dawa
ni ndagĩtarĩ.
So that's why
okay.
Ndirauga atiriri, it's fair now we put our understanding kuri arwaru itu niguo tugakorwo tugitaũkwo makiria na nĩ njugaga failing is not always a must fail next time.
Okay.
Ungikorwo ni warwara arwaru no athondeka arwaru uri ataturi na ni ma complain iri, can't you do your further investigation umenye what is not happening? Thina wiha taru mostly no gukora murimu ucio ni uraikara na andu for more than 10 years, 30 years.
Really?
Yes.
Is it murimu mweru kana ni ukoretwo ho?
Let me ask you, 10 years is not a new thing.
We
are talking about 30 years, yeah? The oldest patient I've ever treated alina thina indigestion kwa guthika kwa irio for 30 years.
Okay. And then nĩtuga kwaga gũthĩka kwa irio rĩ, tondũ tutauka okay, taru ni tugithie bata kana kero kinene rĩ, what comes out is the residue ya kiria kia hii kioyo thiini wa mwiri. Mundu una indigestion. What do we mean? Ni iyo iriumaga inyima
No.
Okay, what is it?
Not as specific. The truth is that the indigestion ni kugate you have excess byproducts. Like for instance, no kona acid nyingi.
Okay.
No kona gas nyingi na irio cia imwe no ciage guthika.
That's imwe ni irathio no ingi.
Yes, that's why you always say indigestion is the only funny illness. Ate irio iria microbiome iria ciho cingihota guthia irio icio ungiria ndwina thina wa nda.
Ni iguthio.
You get the point, yeah?
Okay.
That's why is more of a controlled with food. To most. Ndikaru no wana niki itwaragwo mwena we murwaru we ndiwibange na irio.
Okay.
So you find that if the like for instance the microbiome of bacteria sigikosi absent no regio ni starch. Ayo no so no do indigestion. Agikorwo oge ni chloride acid yake enyihite no regio ni protein. Nanyita.
Okay.
What if you have the both? Chloride nini bacteria nini ogwa kugio ni ciothe ogwa ndari mwena
no matunda mukaigua na tondu
ona matunda ri no mari iritaga tondu arakora acid ri pancreas yako ni kufoswo riu niko ndirenda kuga ni gufoswo na nikio koraga murimu wa gastritis ucokera wagite guthondekwo thina wa indigestion. How riria wa koguo ri mwiro waku ufosaga pancreas karwari uguru waku guthondeka acid makiria
access
ikauria atiriri ona ndameria antacid ana ithu ntungangane tumucinde. So you find that the time you started oko wanyoga antacid muthenya umwe when you are up to 2-3 months urinywa maita meri okay ni na mwaka ri uru urikaraga ugikaga u
to act na to
urika ukimichekaga kana iho egukoi partner waku which is very unfair. Secondary, do you can you the history ya ado matahota guthi numurata waku pio no ndagioka iruga riaku
tondu
ndageria
tondu
ruta imagine murata waku ndanaria gwaku
kuria niki
ari kigio ni irio tenge no ikire nyanya
ni kugate azin
ni agutu
ni ndani kumwamba gasi
ni akwamba nanyita ruri ndari uka gukurio rugire na kini ukuriguka mundu angu ate
ara ni kire atia
riu nikio arajuria ti kai we aruga naki. So ugakora mundu ucio nginya ndahota guka gucera no ti kwenda atarenda guka gucera ni arenda no riu ndangikihota gukwira ati no kiruga irio ri na ni gwaku ndugekire you feel pain yeah? Uguo gakora nginya andu acio ni magaga guthi gicagi
tareke nguri atiriri ndarire ugire ri ikoro ihana ata ndani tura kana ni kwambo
thina wa indigestion na gastritis ri they are almost similar.
The same.
No, similar, but nisikuhaniriirie no ni tofauti muno. Like for instance, kwa boneda ri ucio ni thina wa indigestion, thina cha dyspepsia. Kurunguriro heartburn. Ni thina wa indigestion. Kwa boneda ukaigua riu iyo ni bloated ihuire gasi gukona gasi nda wikaro ugithurathuragia kuigua mugongo ugitura na hathutha ukaelevate ukaigua nda imbite ni uraturwo ni nda na ni uraturwo ni githuri na ni uraigua riera riaku ni riranyiha ugokagia gifatigue kunogerera na rimwe ni ukuigua ngingo yaku stiff kana ukaigua igathite
na ni nda ndwaru
ugacoka yagatha uguo ri ni undu wa kuhinya the spine mugongo ri uka develop kindu gitaga nerves na nikio urakora andu ingi no kunogoro macocoro mugongo.
Are you serious?
Yes, that's serious it is. Yeah? Na nikio ndirakwira is the funniest thing tondu muthe no ukire wina indigestion ucio ukirutari kuringana na kirio
rite
uguo ni ukuigua mundu akwira ndamenya kiria ndikiriaga
kana kiria itarikiriaga.
Yes, no igua riu still you are soothing the illness no guthaitha murathaitha mukidiscuss gohore uria muguikana
ni urigitikaga.
Of course, very simple. Actually, it's the simplest illness guthondeka. Just balancing the microbiome, just that. Imagine just that.
Kugo wewe taragita ni kumenya ukuheana giki ni uguthima.
No, and this is the challenge.
Yes.
We have the probiotics.
Ni goda ukuri horo wa probiotics.
And what happens is they try to soothe the bacteria to grow. Tondu no aciuragite na antibiotic. So, but the challenge is at which level? You might overdo.
Then ukoja gona ukuri horo wa probiotic tondu riri. It's a booming business.
It's a booming business.
Okay, fine. Ndikyo ene kurita ru.
Okay, it's a booming business because there is an empty space to be fed.
Yes, hena ndo menaga thina.
Ithuĩ
Runa wale
gago sort this issue. So if like for instance, another indigestion due to lack of bacteria.
Yes.
Na wenu wanywa probiotic igiri kana ithatu. Na nuoka wega, why should you not say this is the medicine?
True. Like unajua kandi kure dawa cia probiotics icio ni njui iria natural tari ni gukoragwo na I think ni yogurt kana ni hedi to siju ke free hena kondo boga ya ikio igatukanio na
as well as there is growth of yeast.
Dona irasamuka na nigo gutumira video yogwo mundu na biathara koja racithima na jazz.
It's fair todo is relieving some people with bacteria.
Aga cabbage igatukanio na carrots ikakuniko.
Yes, that's what I'm saying is what is going is incubating the yeast infection. The yeast.
Okay.
All the fungal. Nigo cihote gukura cithicirio ni bacteria. Bacteria cikure.
Koguo ri no ru tukinywa niguo nikunywa uguo randomly utekumenya.
Yes. What is the
thina weha?
What is the problem? Taru ri mundu antacid ri mundu wa acid ri high chances ugukora mundu wa acid ugukora mostly ndari na chloride yako
igana. Na ri aria mata chloride no.
Ruo no ri ni uigwa makiuga atiriri. Ingiria nyama no nginya njikurukie.
So but on a real on serious note, mutari na high na chloride etagwatia chloride acid thini wa ndari what to do wekaga ta ndagita ni ongagiriro.
You see, that's why I say we balance the microbiomes. When we balance them, and that's why ugukora atiriri healthy no umirite no do kuhuthira antacid for long time. Then uteka pancreatitis kuroruha gwa pancreas.
Toro nirageria ku
irageria kuita na neratatirwo nayo ekendu kiruru ugukaigwa mundu agikwa ni nduragwo ni nda no nduragirwo muno
haha mwena
na njikitwo scanning ciothe nginya endoscopy gutiri kindu kingioneka but ingitiga kugia ndige kunywa antacid gathina kau nigekaga ate nikanyihanyiha. So ndorenda kuga ate mirimu mingi ni ukite muno just because of indigestion. Like for instance tuma dalili no igwa elevation ni ya pressure yo ni erehaga thina wa hiatus hernia
kamo kageti karia gaito
kaval sprinter muscles kau ukaiguaga riu utuku mundu ucio ndangikoma niki acid yo ri ni akoma horizontally gravity ndingiruta wira uguo no yambate imwite uguo gakora mundu ucio ena ga sore throat aikaga gikiria ga throat no ni araitwo ni acid no ni arakwira ni muthenya wako ko imwega piu ona ni mairia makinyaga ngoria irengi ndeceke
wa gukorora
no gukorora na kuigua
akihia
na kwambatwo kwa acid secondary thina ucio kaigwa tiriri athiri akadiagnosed na thina tuta hiatus hernia akero bas thina no muhuthu muno to gweka operation but the issue is even if you do operation and you have not tackled the issue of indigestion no gucoka no nducoka tondu ndoneka operation ka ndona thondeko wega acha ucokaga tondu the cause kiambiriria kiaguo gitina handwo so that is the challenge. Another challenge is igiukanagia na thina uyu wa indigestion ni thina wa IBS, irritating bowel syndrome.
Nyitirira hau tucokererie nocio wa irritating bowel syndrome nigetha tutaririo naguo wega na njira tutaukwo niki na ririkana maya mothe mararehoka turarie thina wakwa guthika kwa irio kuria twitaga indigestion na ritwa ria ndagitari tori dyspepsia no na ndirio kirathi tuthiete wega haya hari thini wa star 317 tugicokereria nigunageria muhotani witu Shekeri ciringirie thuriye thini wa gwikira uguo star 317 72,000 Kenyan shillings choosing from box number 1 all the way to box number 5 henda tuthanduku tutano gathanduku karia gothe uguthura gagakorwo na mbeca na hagakorwo wina even ciringi ngiri magana matano no ukore nigetha ukorwo wi muhotani star 317 hash gwikira kana gutuma gatagati ga ciringi 70 na ciringi ngiri 1 no gacagura gathanduku gatagati ka namba 1 nginya namba 5 na ugakorwo wi muhotani witu twambe tuikirie tucokerie thwa kaida takire kuraihu ndukaye guthie haraya.
Kameme TV. Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wehotanira ginyagia maita 5,000 ma beti yaku teke. Yes, ni uhuthu. Hihinya star 675 hash uthake na namba 6 cia munyaka kume mwe ginya 6. Ikira muigana wa beti yaku kuma 50 tu wehotanira ginyagia maita 5,000 hau. Cheza kama wewe na cheza sita. Wigire mweke muhari miekene ya gutuika muhotani. Hihinya star